As always, thanks for letting me into your space. Today we intend to model and texture the kitchen marble alongside the kitchen chair that you can see on your screen. So first, let's start with the kitchen marble. To model the marble, you press Shift A to bring out the frame. Thereafter, you scale it up to your preferred measurement. After you're done with scaling, you extrude, and don't forget, all these modifications, all these adjustments can be done in the edit mode, and the shortcut for edit is tab. After the extrusion, you make this selection and you click S to scale it wide. Thereafter, you extrude once more, and finally, you click on this face and you extrude it in. There you go. Finally, you have your table. To properly texture your table, just pause the video, and just copy out this material texture that I used for mine to make it look more realistic. So now, the chair. If you like this procedural guide that we've done so far, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, yeah, like I said, the fancy chair. So for the chair, you press Shift D. No, you press Shift A and select the cube, and you switch to the edit mode by clicking on tab. Thereafter, you make this selection and delete the faces. As soon as you're done deleting the faces, you add the subdivision modification. Adjust it well to your taste. You can introduce another cube, scale it down right below the initial cube, and add loops. After you're done with the loop cuts, you make the face selection and you extrude out to the bottom. When you are done with the length, when you are satisfied with the length that you have so far, you add a circle. You switch that same circle to the edit mode. Like I said, switching to the edit mode, the shortcut is tab, and you press F to fill up the space. As soon as you are done filling up this the space, you extrude. To extrude in the edit mode, when you click on the face, you press E and you click on Z. So Z will help you to extrude it along the vertical axis. Now, when you are done with that, you go back to the seat and you use this material texture and color. And if you also want to use yours, you can use yours. You can use your own material texturing. That's if you don't like mine. And you repeat the same process for the standing bar, for the chair support. You repeat the same process for the circle. And for the circle and the standing bar, you can see the material texture that I used. Pause it to view it, and after viewing it, you can copy mine or you generate yours. I assume you are done with that. So when you are done with that, you select the chair, the stand, and the circle, and you press Ctrl J. The work of Ctrl J here is to join all the mesh together so that it will be easy for you to move around within your project. And finally, you had the solidify modification. What the solidify modification does is it helps you add some level of thickness and make it look more real, and at the solidify option, at the solidify menu, you adjust the thickness to your own choice, to the choice that you like. And if you're happy with the final result, there you have it. And if you like this demonstration, like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And above all, you are free to join my WhatsApp group where you stand a chance to communicate with other enthusiasts like you. I can't wait to hear from you. Good luck.